Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CakeHR, formerly CakeHR, review my usage experience. CakeHR, formerly CakeHR, review my usage experience offers a cloud-based HR management solution for small and medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline HR processes, including employee onboarding, time-off management, performance reviews, and document storage. Key features include employee self-service portals and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. CakeHR positions itself as an intuitive and affordable alternative to more complex HR systems. They emphasize ease of use and claim to offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Their website highlights the user-friendly interface and robust reporting capabilities. Availability is global, with details available on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CakeHR. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to input all my employee data within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the color-coded calendar for time-off requests. The reporting features were excellent, allowing me to quickly generate reports on employee absences and performance. I found the system to be reliable and responsive. I had a quick question about integrating with our payroll software, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Everything was clearly laid out and easily accessible. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reminders for performance reviews. It saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to access the system only through my desktop. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing notifications, but once I figured it out, it was great. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CakeHR. It streamlined our HR processes significantly and has been a valuable tool for our growing company. That's my overview of CakeHR, formerly CakeHR, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.